Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh, what the? Yo! Damn! Gonna go or gonna stay? Go! Fuck! Dumbass!
What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? Seriously.
I was there at San Diego Zoo, and I made it a point to go to the tiger enclosure because I really liked it.
I told you this guy was a moron.
Before the floodgates open, can we just lie? City's all over. I hear the
What are you doing, you nice people?
If the cops get behind me, I'm doing the dash. Shorty know she bad as hell, say that ass. I'ma give her what she wants, take her ass. Ride around the city with some cash on me. If the cops get behind me, I'm doing the dash on me. Shorty know she bad as hell, say that ass. I'ma give her what she wants, take her ass.
Video? The players, they were posting it to Instagram. You morons. Coming up, the left can't find its birth certificate.
Okay, Garmin, save
Are
video.
you driving an IRS tax debt? With Civic Tax Relief, they were able to save me upwards of $80,000 that I would have had to pay had I not reached out to them.
Get ready for it.
You can always sort of say, oh my word.
Oh,
What
honey.
the heck? What on earth?
Trying to hit both of us.
Holy
Jeez.
cow, that was some of the worst driving I have
Idiots.
ever seen.
You're
In
not
my entire
following
life, I don't think I...
La première, la deuxième, c'est la troisième. Parce que les deux premières que tu vas voir, c'est des sens uniques. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Dude? Okay, baby. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.